Marhaban, marhaba. Welcome all of you, students, parents, families, and friends, to the American University of Iraq, Suleimani. We are here today because we have parents and families who care about us. So let us begin by thanking our parents and families, as well as Ms. Rachel Gresk, Ms. Mkitha Mpathani, and the APP faculty and staff for all that they have done. I am proud of all of you. Your hard work and dedication helped you to complete the demanding academic preparatory program, the only U.S. certified English program in all of Iraq and its Kurdistan region. You now speak 2 languages very well. The first Queen Elizabeth of England spoke 6 languages. For thousands of years and in many cultures, speaking more than 1 language has been the sign of the educated man or woman. This ability to speak more than 1 language is a gift many employers welcome. I hope you will treasure it for the rest of your lives. In APP, you've learned more than just another language. You have learned how to ask good questions. You've learned how to offer your own opinion in a respectful way, even when it differs from that of your teachers or other students. You have learned what good teaching is like. You've learned how to learn in different ways, using technology and teamwork in the classroom and online. And you have learned how to work very hard. Completing the APP program was perhaps the hardest thing you have ever done in your life. The COVID-19 pandemic, presenting a sudden need to move classes online, made it even harder. Often, though, it is the most difficult challenges that we are most proud to overcome. Soon you will begin to study as an undergraduate. The rest of this university will open to you. You will learn at an amazing rate about the many wonderful and fascinating things in the world, and then, when you graduate from AUIS, the rest of the world will open to you. Universities are places where new opportunities are created. With continued hard work and determination, you will create new opportunities for yourself, your family, your community, and your country. You have my best wishes as you continue on this exciting journey. Zorspas, shukran, thank you.
Welcome to APP Virtual Graduation. We are so excited to be here with our APP graduates to congratulate them for the work that they've done this semester. To the AUIS community, thank you for coming in and recognizing what the students have done. I'd like to welcome faculty, colleagues, AUIS staff, and most important, parents of our graduates. These students have worked so hard. This is not an easy program normally, and in this climate, what they've done is just amazing. They have worked so hard to get ready for the undergraduate program. And students, you are. The skills that you learn, though, are just not important for the undergraduate program. They're lifelong skills that you will use and share with your entire family, with your future co-workers, with your boss, with your careers, and you will pass along to your children. We are so honored that you're at our university, and we're so proud of the work that you've done. We miss you. We're excited to see you in person, but until then, congratulations.
Good day, parents, students, teachers. It is my honor to be part of the APP Spring 2020 and Summer 2020 graduation. We are pleased to share this milestone with all of our students. We can all agree that this year has been a very challenging year. While the entire world is combating a global pandemic, and education making a big shift from being traditional to being online. At first, we were all stressed, worried whether we could actually do this. But again, I'm so proud of each and every single APP student for rising to the occasion and finally graduating on this day. I'm proud of each and every single one of you for dedicating yourselves to education and rising above all challenges, regardless of the pandemic that's ongoing. I'm so proud of you, and I wish you give yourselves a round of applause. Most of all, I want to thank each and every single family member, parent, aunt, uncle that has been part of your support system for the past couple of months. I also want to say that our thoughts are with each and every single student who may have lost a parent or a friend during this pandemic. Most of all, I just want to say thank you to all of our teachers who have been part of making your success and your dreams in APP come true. Indeed, teachers have been able to keep us all together, making the online learning fun. I know how that feels sometimes and bearable, but we all did it, and that's why we are all here. I also want to say thank you to our AUIS administration for keeping the team and supporting all of our students online. That was a very daunting task, but we did so well in it. So again, I want to congratulate all of our APP students for graduating today, and I want to wish you the best of success in the UG program. Indeed, you have an entire new world ahead of you. We believe that you are ready and that you will succeed. Congratulations.
أحمد كمال محمد، أحمد أميد غريب، آكام نبرد محمد، آلان طه محمد، ألند آرام محمود، ألند آزاد أحمد، أرين عبد الله محمود، آشيان إقبال سعيد، أستيرة شيا عبد الله، أفراز عيسى مصطفى، أيمن مصطفى مهدي، أجين صباح مهدي، برهم صالح حميد، برزين محمود وهاب، باسان بهاء الدين سعيد، بيجر علي قادر، دنيا محمد عثمان، فهد فارس رشيد، فاطمة فارس علي، فاطمة رياض فاضل، فواز رافد فريد، عباس محمد علي، غادة إسماعيل محمد، هيشو غفور محمود، هوكار حكيم حمنوري، حسين خالد حسين، إبراهيم جبار إبراهيم، كاني شيرزاد حما سعيد، كارو أميد معروف، خلف جبير الجابري، كوسار نجاة الشريف، لاون طه محمود، مريم عدنان عزت، مينا هندرين محمد، محمد أكرم محمد، محمد كاظم صحار، نورهت محمد حفطرو، نوف نواف أحمد، نجيار شريف رسول، أوجلان أحمد عمر، أسامة ثامر محمد، عثمان مصطفى معاس، بابولا صلاح الدين محمد، راميار عثمان محمود، رند إسماعيل محمد، رنج علي صابر، ريباس حسيب أحمد، روجين إبراهيم داود، روزي شازاد بهاء الدين، سيف حارث فؤاد، سلار عزيز علي، صالح محمد خليل، سمير أمير غازي، سارة بيستون محمد، سركو فاتح عبد الله، سازغار عمر أحمد، شم شيروان سليمان، شمس الدين عباس زيدان، شنيار رؤوف محمد، شيرين طارق مصطفى، سيما نهاد صديق، سوما أحمد عبد الرحمن، سوزيار جبار عبد الله، تابان محمد علي، تهاني صالح مجبل، تروسكا محمد إسماعيل، ياد أيوب محمد، ياد بهجت توفيق، يوسف كريم علي، زيد فرقد محمد.
Hello, my name is Budin Kayaolu, AUIS Dean of Students. The 2020 APP graduating class, congratulations. I welcome you to the undergraduate program at AUIS, also known as the UG program. You've come a long way. I'm proud of you. Your teachers are proud of you. Your parents are certainly proud of you. Now, while welcoming you to the UG program, I have two good news and one bad news. The first news, the good one, is that you've come a long way. You've accomplished much. You have mastered the intricacies of the English language enough that you are ready to embark upon your college career. The bad news, the second and bad news, is that the UG program is much harder than the APP program. I know many of you thought or felt that once you were done with APP, life was going to get easier. But the UG program is much harder, I'm afraid. You will have to work much harder to earn your grades, and we will make sure that you do so. But the third news is the good one. I, as Dean of Students, and our team in the Student Services Office have the skills and the tools to help you prepare and cope with the stresses and challenges of the UG program. For the next few weeks, we will be preparing video presentations and PowerPoint slides to give you a heads up, to give you the necessary information about what to expect in your first semester in the UG program and beyond. They will include such things as how to prepare for class, how to study, how attendance works, how your grade point average, your cumulative grade point average, GPA, CGPA work, and how to avoid cheating and plagiarism, or the accusation that you're cheating and plagiarizing. We'll be preparing, as I said, various programs to help you cope with these. In addition, in order to ensure your engagement and your interaction with your schoolmates during the online period, the Student Services Office will prepare additional programs for you in the virtual world. Many of them fun activities, some of them workshops that will help you learn to become better undergraduate students. Once again, I welcome you to the UG program, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you when we're back on campus. Thank you very much.